It's easy for anyone to feel overwhelmed when deciding how to organize their closet. What should I do with this sweater? What about this jacket? These are common questions many people find themselves asking as they face a cluttered space. The most significant mistake many make is failing to utilize all the available area in their closets, leading to wasted square footage. Fortunately, there are 10 effective ways to maximize your wardrobe without everything occupying the floor. So let's get started. To keep up with upcoming videos and catch our new content on your Home tab, be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Number 10. The sloped ceiling wardrobe idea. Transform your sloping ceiling into functional space with a simple wardrobe that spans wall to wall and floor to ceiling. By converting an eave storage area into a slanted wardrobe, you can enjoy the benefits of a standard-shaped room while incorporating a convenient built-in storage solution. To create your first sloped ceiling wardrobe, install adjustable or freestanding shelving units to ensure stability. Once these elements are in place, add a bottom shelf to your space and hang shelves along the wall and ceiling to finalize your project. These tips provide various ways to optimize your ceiling space for storage, whether using hanging curtains or built-in wardrobes. Number 9. The fitted wardrobe. In a small bedroom, every inch is valuable. That's why a fitted wardrobe is ideal for maximizing storage in your space. This design demonstrates how to make the most of every potential corner in a snug bedroom. The beauty of a fitted wardrobe lies in its adaptability to your needs while optimizing vertical space. This design features doors that extend from top to bottom, offering a visually appealing solution that enhances the character of period properties. 8. The attic wardrobe idea with plain doors. If you're considering a white wardrobe for your bottom stair area, a design with plain doors may be ideal. White is a versatile, neutral choice that pairs well with various colors and materials, including wood. You can use white to complement any design style. Just think carefully about its application. This glossy white finish combined with a light wooden floor alongside white shelves and drawers creates a sleek, modern aesthetic in the room. 7. The loft-filled wardrobe idea with drawers. While drawers can add to the cost of your built-in wardrobe due to the additional materials and installation required for drawer fronts, runners, and handles, they also enhance functionality. Though they may limit the overall storage capacity of your closet, drawers are beneficial at lower levels since you can easily pull them out and look down instead of bending over to search through open shelves. Furthermore, if you have tall children, they will find drawers easier to access. If you opt for transparent drawers, consider adding a mirror to the back so the entire wardrobe appears to have dual doors. These wardrobes are perfect if your closet design lacks space or if you desire extra storage. You can apply this idea in a media center, laundry room, bedroom, or office. 6. The L-shaped ceiling wardrobe idea. Consider an L-shaped wardrobe design that combines various functional compartments such as drawers, cupboards, and other storage solutions. With ample storage, you can organize your clothes neatly across multiple shelves. You can also hang dresses, jackets, or coats using suitable hangers, while smaller items like socks, ties, and handkerchiefs can be stored in the drawers. To create a tidy appearance, install matching doors for each shelf that aligns with your home's theme. 5. A built-in wardrobe idea with a vanity. Wardrobes and vanities are essential elements of any bedroom. Why not combine them and design a bespoke wardrobe that includes a dressing table as a single unit? Wardrobe vanities offer numerous benefits that homeowners often seek. They can transform your floor-to-ceiling wardrobe space into a personal sanctuary. Equipped with mirrors and lighting, they provide an elegant area for applying makeup, styling hair, and using other toiletries. In a pinch, your cozy wardrobe and vanity can double as a private home office space. 4. A fitted sliding wardrobe idea. As the name suggests, it has sliding doors as opposed to hinged doors that open. Transform your room with wall-to-wall, floor-to-ceiling sliding wardrobe doors. Combine wardrobe door designs to create an appealing-looking wall space from a choice of different door colors. There are various choices for sliding wardrobes, including the number and width of doors. They come in some different designs and finishes, from mirror glass to classic wood. The good thing about sliding wardrobe doors is that they take up less space. They're a good choice if there is a snug fit between the bed and the wardrobe. 3. A fitted mirrored wardrobe idea. Both hinged and sliding wardrobes offer mirror options. Doors can be mirrored in whole or in part, and you can have all of them done in the same way or just some doors. Full-size mirrors can be great for bringing light into a room, but keep in mind they are difficult to clean. Dust and fingerprints are more likely to show up than a regular door. One option is to hang a mirror inside your wardrobe door and can install it on the back of the door, integrate it as a pull-out panel, or tuck the back. If you use the mirror to check your clothes in the morning, make sure they get lots of light. 2. A walk-in wardrobe idea. If you are pretty fortunate to have a walk-in wardrobe, it can be hard to determine how to best design it and make the most of the space. We give expert advice and layout planning to create an astonishing walk-in wardrobe design and an open front unit that exposes the stylish wardrobe interior. Consider the choice between open-closed storage and wardrobes with doors, as each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Displaying your seasonal clothing and accessories in open rails and shelves in separate dressing rooms can create an upscale clothing boutique effect, especially if the lighting is beautiful and color coordinated. Stuff is easier to find than having it all behind closed doors and can save more space because you don't have to worry about space for the door to swing. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with Number 1. The ceiling wardrobe idea with ladder. Designing for storage that is very high could be a challenge. Thus, several types of wardrobe ladders are recommended. Either a rolling ladder that mounts permanently to a shelf or a lightweight stair stool that you can store in a closet will offer you best options for easy access. Rolling ladders are always out, and some people find this an annoyance. On the contrary, certain step stools are designed to attach to cabinet panels when folded, with special hooks for off-the-track storage. Ladder benches are an easy and inexpensive option when it comes to high-ceiling wardrobe storage ideas, but make sure you opt for a high-quality model with a non-slip base and tread. Conclusion: ceiling wardrobes offer a lot of space for all your items, but designing them along the ceiling can present a challenge. It is especially true if the builder has cast the rods and racks in a less than optimal location. However, you can convert most ceiling wardrobes into efficient storage space with a bit of reforming. In the end, we hope after you know the type of ceiling wardrobe you were looking for, the 10 floor-to-ceiling wardrobe ideas would be new things that offer you new organizational experiences too. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.